EV startup Bollinger, acquired by Mullen Automotive for $148 million. The B1 and B2 trucks are back in the mix.
Yeah.
Back in the mix? This is great news. I love that's cool. Look, I mean, the range is not great. Who knows what the build quality is going to be like. I got to put all this in there, the disclaimers. But look at that thing. How fun would that be to have? That so box, cool. That off-roady looking box with the modular interior, so utilitarian, military stylings. So the reason I'm so excited is because they were going to do this truck. They were going to do this SUV. So the B2 electric truck and the B1 SUV. Kind of how Rivian did.
Yeah.
The truck and SUV, same kind of shape and styling and identity, but two different options. And things were getting delayed. We were going to look at one. Things were getting delayed. They're not even that far away. I don't know. Are they in Michigan, Will? So things were getting delayed. And then they decided, I don't think they're in Michigan anymore. I don't know. They may have moved. Things were getting delayed, Will. And they decided that they were going to just like build a platform instead.
Yes.
And they were going to do commercial vehicles and all this other stuff that, well, I mean, that's cool too. But it's not as cool as what they were working on. And so I guess through this acquisition, $150 million bucks. Is it an acquisition or an investment? Acquired. Okay, I don't know Mullen Automotive, but I hope their plan is actually to revive these things as mentioned.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it burst onto the scene in 2015. Did you know that's 7 years ago, Will?
That's...
Holy.
You told me about it like a couple of years ago. Maybe 3 years ago. Super cool.
Man, it's been that long sitting around.
Yeah, hopefully we can get it in the studio now.
Mullen says that with today's deal, the trucks are back on. No more pause. With years of history in Class 3 truck development, intellectual property patents, and expertise, Bollinger's decision made sense to pivot into commercial vehicle development for Classes 3 to 6. Mullen said in his release, as part of the acquisition, the company brings Mullen nearly 50,000 reservations previously taken on the B1 and B2 sport utility vehicles. With Mullen's acquisition and capital injection money, both B1 and B2 programs will begin after the start of production for the Class 3 to 6 commercial truck program. So they still got to do the commercial trucks first, unfortunately. But listen to me, Mullen Automotive, I'm talking to you through this camera lens. Whatever you need for me to help pump this stuff, like promote it, whatever, I'll come look at it. I'll come give it a ride. I just love how far, like where they were at with the development and the approach they're taking. I understand this is not going to be a range monster. I understand we're still super early, but I've been looking at this thing since 2015 at this point. So let's do something.
You want the SUV?
It's only going to help. We're going to just get the interest going. Maybe let's go get some more reservations. They probably charge a lot of money for it, too. I just want to look at it at this point.
You like the SUV or you want the pickup?
I'll take either.
Oh, okay.
I'll take either.
All right.
I probably... You know what? I think I do like the SUV more in this scenario. The box.
Yeah.
The truck... You know, I like trucks. I might like the SUV in this scenario.
Okay.
I think it might be the better looking of the two.
All black?
Yeah, I think it's going to be, unless they got
There's a white one.
That's kind of looking like an old Land Rover Defender or something. No, but we're going to take the black one, Will. Okay. I like how we're buying it, and they're definitely not going to agree to give it.
The black.
They're not going to agree to give it to us.
Look at that. That looks so
We're buying it. They're not going to give it to us. They don't have to do anything. They don't watch this show. So we're doomed either way. But on the off chance that anybody from this company is watching, we're here to help. All right? Whatever it takes. I like this thing. I don't want to see it die. Don't let it die. All right? Please. And don't make it take like another decade as well, because it's been 7 years. 7 years. Oh,